Today we cooking jambalaya, very popular dish in New Orleans and my family favorite dish. This is one pot dish loaded with lots of shrimps and sausage. And let's get started. And we needed for this recipe first I will dice celery. I will dice in small bite-sized dice. Now I'll chop the red and orange small pepper. Orange and red pepper is done. It's nicely chopped. I put on the side. Onion. Onion is done. The yellow onion goes on the side. Next part, green onion. Done. I have 6 cloves of garlic. All vegetables chopped. And the last part I will cut andouille sausage. It's a smoked andouille sausage and I got a pecan smoke to get a better flavor. I will slice it. Got small slices like this, thin one. The sausage is pretty spicy. Try. Excellent. Delicious addition to my jambalaya. Jambalaya is very simple dish, easy to make and everybody can enjoy something different. If you like rice, sausage or shrimps, and lots of vegetables, it's pretty healthy meal. Okay, the curry is done. Now is the fun part. Let's go make delicious jambalaya. Oh, let's get start cooking. I'll turn on stove, butter, andouille sausage. Just cook for a little bit to get the most of the flavor of sausage. Wow, that was so delicious. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of flour. Next step, I'm adding chopped onion, 2 bay leaves. I'm adding cumin, 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of oregano, red pepper, crushed red pepper, just a little bit for extra spice. 1/4 of teaspoon. Let's go combine everything. Adding garlic and the rest of the vegetables. Now I'm adding 3 cups of chicken broth. Chicken broth is boiling. I'm adding rice. I'll cover this and cook for 20 minutes on low heat. Now I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt and the black pepper. I'm adding rest of the garlic for more garlic flavor and a little bit green onion. Rest of the green onion I will use for decoration and cover. And the last part, diced tomato with green chili. I use the chopped diced tomato. Look at this color, it's beautiful. And the last part, let's go turn on a high heat. Okay, the jambalaya is boiling right now. I'm adding medium-sized shrimps, a little bit salt. Combine these ingredients together. Stir. You can see it's very simple to make homemade jambalaya. The shrimps change color. It's time to turn off stove and we're done. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out and see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye!